What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be discussing the Mantel mount. I'm also going to be going to a home where we did a motorized Mantel mount. This one pulls down, which is definitely our best seller because it's very affordable and gets the job done. So I just want to show this to you guys firsthand and give you a demo. I hope you enjoy it. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, guys, so the reason that these Mantel mounts have become so popular is take a look at our viewing area. When you're sitting down on your couch in your living space, it's nice to have that TV up there above the fireplace, but you don't want to break your neck to look at it. So this solves that. You get the TV up there above the fireplace, but you still get a good viewing area. So I'm going to show you how it comes down. Couple fingers, you pull out and swing right down into place. Now look at our viewing area. I'm going to put you down here at eye level. Much better. Definitely going to be more enjoyable, and you'll be able to watch it for a longer period of time. Hey, buddy. We love dogs here at Dreamedia. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back up. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the Mantel mount. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call, show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This is a really cool, intuitive product. And again, it's at a really reasonable price point. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.